Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 1. In EVS 1, we are going to learn chapter 2, the interrelationships between living things. Let us solve a riddle. An age-old tree with a thick, strong trunk gives deep, dark shade from the scorching sun. Like an old man's beard with many strands, it has ropes for swinging from every branch. Which is this tree in the picture? Yes, it's banyan tree. Can you tell? Plants that are useful to us: betel vine, flame of the forest, palas, fenugreek methi, Vasaka adulsa, curry leaf plant. You know, children, the needs of living things are met in their environment. We have many needs like food, water, air, clothes, and shelter. All these needs are met in our surrounding. In fact, food, water, and air are the needs of all living things. They are all fulfilled in the environment. But there are differences in the needs of each kind of living things. For example, the water that a mouse drinks in an entire day would not be enough for an elephant even at one time. Think about it. This is a butterfly. Butterfly feeds on the nectar of flowers. Can a frog do the same? A sheep eats the leaves of shrubs. Can a tiger do the same? A fish breathes in water. But can a pigeon do that? No. Bulrushes grow in water. Can a lemon tree do so? No. Can you tell? If fish leave the water, will they be able to live on land? No. Try this. Take two small boxes. Label them box 1 and box 2. Fill them 3/4 with soil and make the soil moist enough to show seeds. Sow 2 sprouted mudki seeds in each box. Give 2 spoons of water to the soil of box 1. Only once every day. Give 4 spoons of water to the other box 4 times a day. Do this for 6 days. What will you see? The plants in box 1 are growing well, but the plants in box 2 have begun to rot. What does this tell us? Plants that are not aquatic plants cannot grow in marshy areas. If they get more water than they need, they rot. Any type of living things will be found only where all its needs are fulfilled. Let us take the example of a tiger. A tiger has strips. A tiger lies in wait for its prey among tall grasses. Its prey cannot see it in the grass because of the strips. There are animals like deer, the nilgai, and the bisons in grasslands. When a tiger is hungry, it can feed on them. For a tiger, there are also needs to be a water hole nearby, which never dries up even in the summer. There must also be dense vegetation, tall grasses, or caves in hills or mountains in the areas so that the tiger can find shelter. A tiger inhabits an area where all these things are available. We keep animals in order to satisfy some of our needs. they become dear to us. We look after them well, we feed them, we take them to a vet if they fall ill. These animals too turn our affection. We get milk, meat, eggs, and several other things from animals. Some animals are useful for carrying burdens or drawing carts. Domestic animals are also used to help with, with the heavy farm work in fields. Dogs guard our houses, sheep gives us wool. So, what do we understand? That animals are our friends. Do you know? Even the excreta of domestic animal is of use to human beings. The dung of the cattle is made into dung cakes. They are combustible. They are used in some places as fuels. When they burn, they give out smoke. A combustible gas called gobar gas is also obtained from cattle dung. That too is used as a fuel. It burns without smoke. Cattle dung is used for plastering mud houses. Manures made from cattle dung and sheep pellets are good for plants. Farmers use them for growing crops. With this, I end my chapter and will do remaining part in the next period. I hope you have understood this lesson well. Thanks for watching.